Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace taillights or taillight light bulbs on a 2011 Nissan Sentra. This video applies to Nissan Sentras made from 2006 all the way up to 2012. Okay, to start, first you want to open the trunk, and now you will have a small black trim screw located right here. So I'll zoom it out a bit. And to remove this one, you'll have to pretty much pry it out the middle piece with a flat screwdriver, just like this, and then pull it out. Okay, this is the screw. Once you have removed that screw, you can remove this cloth piece all the way off to get access to the screws which are holding the taillight. Taillight is being held by two 8mm nuts. So one nut is right here, so remove that one, and one nut is up here, so you want to remove that one as well, and then you'll be able pretty much just to pull the taillight straight out. Okay, so these are the nuts, and now your taillight will be completely loose, so you have to pull it straight out. Just be careful not to break these plastic clips, which are also here in holes holding this taillight in place. So don't pull it to the side, pull it straight out. You'll have one clip here, and you'll have one clip back here. So when you're removing the taillight, you want to pull it straight out towards yourself. Okay. So once you have it out, to completely remove it, you just want to unscrew all of the light bulbs. You can do that by turning them counterclockwise. So pretty much this is how you replace any of the light bulbs. You have a brake light bulb, you'll have a reverse light bulb, and a turn signal light. So you can just unscrew all of them, quite easy, and completely remove the taillight. If you're replacing the light bulbs, you just want to pull the light bulb straight out of the socket and install a new light bulb in. Okay, I'll try to demonstrate with one hand. So this is how you remove it, and to put it back in, you just want to pretty much squeeze it straight in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.